Hello guys, so this is another video of nctf.in and the challenge is boring school. So okay, the question is that we are given three random strings and if we add them and multiply them by itself, it becomes itself. Okay, can you guess and answer it? And each letter stands for number between 1 and 9 and each number is unique. So let's write a Python script for it. Let's sublime get flag.py. Okay, I think okay, here. Now let's import random. Let's check it. Okay, we're getting random. Now three random numbers, so 1 2 3. Okay, we get three random numbers, and if the number must be unique, so if A is not equal to B is not equal to C, then only move ahead. Now this, so if A multiplied by B, okay, plus B plus C multiplied by A, B, C, this is equals to A into 100 plus B into 10 plus C into 1. Then print the same. Okay, so it will print until and unless we get this. Let's try it. Okay, so here we got the answer. Let's break it somehow and break it here. So the answer is 135. Let's check it. So 135 equals 1 into like 1 plus 3 plus 5 multiplied by 1 plus 3 1 into 3 into 5 equals 549 into 15, which equals 135. Perfect. We'll print CTF the flag format and then okay, and then close the bracket. Perfect, got the flag. And although I have already submitted it, let's submit it again. Okay, perfect. Let's Python, okay, .py2 Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.